Hello, welcome back to my page Baker is, and today I'm going to discuss about the key points in PowerPoint just as the back screen is showing, and it's going to be discussed by me, Baker is. I want to channel on slide you are not here key terms I'm going to talk about. First, I'll talk about the slides group. Slide group, I find them in the home tab just beneath. Let's go to the slides group. For the first one, that new slide, it enables us to find out the desired kind of slide. So this is where you get a new slide from. For example, if I want a new slide, I just have to click here. I get a new slide of the guide. Here, it's called slide layout. Whenever I have content, each content has a slide it fits into. For example, this first slide. This first slide is more of an introductory slide. This is where you put the introduction and the name of the presenter. On the second slide, you put the topic to be discussed, then the content in that format. Here, section header, it's more just putting in a header or something like a title. Here to content, you put here the introduction or something to be discussed. It's divided. You put here in content and also put here content. And then here, this last one I'm going to discuss. This last layout. For this one, you put here the topic to be discussed. If it has a subtopic, you put it here and here. Then you write here. For example, if I'm talking about the disadvantages and advantages of something, I put here advantages and here disadvantages, making work easy for me. Research that their things are useless. Next to my key term, font types. Font types, we have been studying about font types since we have been in Word. For font types, we just need to make the things active. Slide sections active. For example, you can make any changes to this word by highlighting it. It was already bold. I can make it italicized, maybe underlined, but it's not fitting. I'll just have to do it. Increase, change the font size to any other style. Change the size to any other style. Increase and decrease the words. Many other changes. Change the appearance of the letters. That's the word. And that's it with number 2, which is font types. Font terms. So we're going to talk about the themes. Themes. When going to themes are not found in the home tab. I'll just need to go to the design tab. Yeah, there are very many themes you can use. Themes is more of an appearance, a background appearance of your slide. For example, if I want all my slides to appear in one similar way, I just go choose any slide of my choice. This one, maybe this one, or this one, but I prefer this one. I just click that, and that change will take place to all my slides. Proceed. Slide 2. Number 3 is done. Number 4, templates. For templates, templates are not found in any of these ones. I'll just have to go to the file tab, click on the file tab, go to new. They'll give me a number of templates, so you have to choose any of your choice. I won't choose because I don't prefer any of them. I have one I've chosen. So going to the other, we have master slides or slide masters, and that master slide we can find it here in slideshow. So you can find that here in what in view. So you find that master slide or slide master is in view. It's here in the master views group. I click, but before we proceed, I'll just have to talk something. I'll just have to speak something about this slide master. Slide master is a slide that controls all effects on all other slides. Whatever you're going to make on the first slide here in master slide, it's the same effect that's going to appear to the rest of the slides. So say I want my first word here in the title part to be in which type. say Algerian. Then I want it to have a shadow. I want it to be bold, italicized, bold. Bold will be looking awkward. I want it to appear in this color and in say this size. Then for the rest of the information in these lower others, I want them to be in any other different font style. Then size 14 and italicized. After doing these changes on the first slide, obviously I'll just have to come back to slide. I close this slide master. I close it. I'll have to close this slide master. Just come back here, slide master, click it, then close master view. All the words that are appearing in the upper parts of the slides or in the title parts have changed the way I formatted them in the master slide, and the rest of the information has changed to the way I formatted it in the other slides. So after slide masters, so slide master, it's one of the master that controls everything in each slide. Coming to number 6, graphics and illustrations. Actually, graphics and illustrations are found in the insert tabs because I'm just going to insert them into the work. From here, you get a number of, if you want to insert a table, you get it from here. If at all you want to insert images, you get a chance to insert them from here. Illustrations, set graphs, smart art, charts, you all get them from here. If you want to insert symbols, mathematical symbols, you get them here. Media, sound, you find it there. And if you want to insert things like text, slide number, just insert one here. Just delete that one. Let's go to slide 1. I want to insert slide date. Slide time. I click there. Slide number. Footer. I want the footer to be Becca S. And I apply to all my slides. See, I have my work here. I have my date here. That's the slide number. From there, we are going to go from which number? We are going to go to action buttons. Action buttons are these buttons found in this part of what? Shapes. You just have to go to insert. From insert, you go to illustrations. From illustrations, there are these last buttons here. These action buttons enable us to move from slide to slide when you're looping your work or displaying it in a way I'll just show you later. You just insert one action button. I've inserted it here. I'll also hyperlink to the next slide. Yes, it's going to link me to the next slide. Okay, I also copy this. I copy this to this slide also. I also copy this one to this slide also. We'll get to know their uses. Actually, they are going to help me out in case my work is not going to appear continuously. I just click on the action button, it takes me to the next slide. So to my next topic or key term, we're going to talk about transitions. Transitions are more of appearances, the way I want a slide to appear as it's disappearing or coming in. So for this first slide, there is this one. There are very many transitions. You just have to choose the one that you desire according to the topic you're going to discuss. Of course, you won't put any ugly or any transition because you feel like it's the one you need. you just need to put the relevant transition. Very many examples you just have to choose. For example, I would use this one for my slide. I can use it just because I'm teaching you. Let me just try using different. And I have the last one. I'll just give it a different transition. Yeah, those are transitions, and from transitions we have animations. Animations. This is a way I want text to appear as I'm looping my work. For example, for this first text, I will only use the first. I will use one example. For example, if I want text here, I will need to give it an entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. But for this case, I'm just going to give it an entrance and exit. Just make it just like that. So animations are very many, and you can use them in different places. I'll just use the second one as well. I want to cause some problems. Some members will be complaining, so just give it some different animation. I'll show you in a loop how they will look like. So from transitions, I'm going to take you to hyperlinks. Hyperlinking, it's a known term in Word. It's known in Word, Excel, other applications. So hyperlinking is more of linking a slide to a website or to another slide or to another document. So hyperlinking is more of a link that joins a slide to any other thing. I'll have to make content here active, and here is where in the insert tab links I just click this one for hyperlinks. I won't click it because it's useless. Anyway, it's verified, but you just have to click there and use any follow the terms. You link your slide to any other things. From hyperlinks, our next topic is going to be speaker notes. Speaker notes we just find them here. Here is where you write information about the speaker. It might not be information about the speaker maybe, but it's information about, still talking about speaker notes, sorry about that. Speaker notes it's where you write brief information about something. So you're talking about communication, you can write here some simple information. Say communication is useful in life. In daily life, this is what we call speaker notes. So you just need to write some brief information about it. Lastly, I'm talking about printing. In PowerPoint, when you're printing, we print out our work in handouts and not in on normal pages. So to print, just come here in File, click Print. Just as the way it is, you print it out, but as handouts. Thank you so much. I remain Becca. Stay safe and curious. Wait for the next video. Bye.